click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Hydrating Christian. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy J6 and Galaxy J8. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy J6 and J8, which belongs from the mid-range of Samsung 2018, is now getting Android Pie update. The update for J6 is available in Italy and Ukraine, and the update for J8 is only available in Russia. And if we talk about this update for other countries, so the update will be soon available in other countries. As Samsung has promised to roll out Android P for both of these phones before the end of this month. The update comes with April security patch for Galaxy J8, and for Galaxy J6 the update comes with March security patch. Moreover, if we talk about what's new in this update, so this update comes with Samsung's new One UI, which helps you to use phone with one hand easily. It also provides many new features that we can find in other stock Android Pie update. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.